Living in humid and tropical regions comes with unique interior design challenges. High moisture levels, heat, and changing weather conditions can quickly damage traditional wall materials. Problems such as mold growth, peeling paint, warped wood and wall cracks are common in many tropical homes and commercial buildings. Because of this, choosing the right wall material is essential for long-term durability and comfort. Today, modern construction projects are increasingly turning to waterproof and low-maintenance decorative wall solutions. These materials not only improve durability but also create stylish interiors suitable for modern homes, hotels, apartments, and office spaces. SPC wall panels for humid climates. One of the most popular options for humid climates is SPC wall panels. SPC, stone plastic composite, panels are completely waterproof, resistant to mold, and highly durable. Unlike traditional paint or wallpaper, SPC panels do not absorb moisture, making them ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and coastal properties. Their quick installation process also helps reduce renovation time and labor costs. WPC wall cladding for tropical homes. Another excellent solution is WPC wall cladding. WPC, wood plastic composite, combines the natural appearance of wood with the durability of engineered materials. It performs well in tropical weather because it resists termites, humidity, and deformation. Many designers prefer WPC wall panels for living rooms, hotel lobbies, and outdoor covered areas where both appearance and durability are important. Benefits of PVC marble sheets. PVC marble sheets are also becoming increasingly popular in modern tropical interior design. They provide the luxurious appearance of natural marble without the high cost and maintenance issues associated with stone. Since PVC marble sheets are lightweight and water-resistant, they are widely used in hotels, apartments, restaurants, and retail projects across Southeast Asia and Africa. Bamboo charcoal wood veneer for modern interiors. For homeowners looking for sustainable decorative materials, bamboo charcoal wood veneer is another attractive choice. This material offers a modern wood texture while improving moisture resistance and indoor aesthetics. It is especially suitable for feature walls and premium commercial interiors. Important factors when choosing wall materials. When selecting wall materials for humid environments, property owners should focus on several important factors: waterproof performance, resistance to mold and termites, easy maintenance, and installation efficiency. Modern decorative panels outperform many traditional materials in these areas, making them a smart investment for tropical regions. Growing demand for decorative wall solutions. As global demand for durable and cost-effective interior materials continues to grow, more builders and designers are working with professional manufacturers to source reliable wall panel solutions. Companies such as Humid provide modern wall panel products designed for hotels, apartments, and residential projects in humid and tropical markets worldwide. Conclusion: choosing the right wall material not only improves the appearance of a space but also helps reduce maintenance costs and extend the lifespan of interior renovations. Subscribe for more ideas.